This is an XR6 turbo that we're just working on now. It is in standard form currently. I just spun up 225 kilowatts at the wheels. We're about to do our phase 2 kit, which consists of 6 high flow injectors to be able to supply the engine with the correct amount of fuel that it requires, a turbo back exhaust and a custom tune using the SCT/3 box. You should see in excess of 280 plus kilowatts at the wheels, give or take. Every engine is different. But the drivability, the throttle response and the torque will certainly make the car feel good. The other thing that we're doing with this particular vehicle here is Peter is actually going to replace the valve springs on it, which he's just gearing up to do now. The valve springs on these FGs are a little bit of pot luck. Some of them play up, some don't. This particular one, the customer doesn't want to have any risk, run any risk of it playing up, so we're upgrading the valve springs for him, which will eliminate any valve play problem. Now, let's Peter finish his job and then we'll see how it goes from there. We'll run up on the line over the tune and see what sort of power we get. Cheers. Okay, so there we go. This is our phase 2 kit. It's gone from 226 kilowatts at the wheels right up to 288.5. As you can see, it's picked up roughly 50 odd kilowatts at the wheels, 55 kilowatts from peak power, but in the mid-range it's got an increase of more like 60 or 70 at the wheels. So in the mid-range you can see where the torque's had a massive increase. And obviously it's carried right through the top end. This is running about 14 pound of boost, bleeding back to about 12 psi. This particular car was fitted with an optional mild steel 3.5 inch system, which is slightly cheaper than our stainless version of that. As you can see here in the mid-range, we've had an increase of torque, a significant increase of torque, probably something up to about 35–40% increase in torque. And then it's the same in the power in the mid-range. As it comes on boost, we've got a good improvement in power at, say, 140 kilometres an hour, which is probably around about 4,000 RPM. We're doing 200. We were doing 180. We're now doing 275 kilowatts at the wheel. So massive difference in the mid-range. About 80–90 kilowatt improvement there, with about a 55 at top end.